We've got beautiful Chinook with us. She told me she's going to be a bride herself.
Yeah.
I'm going to start with Bioderma L'Eau Micellaire. Do a quick swipe to remove anything that she might have. Peptide and Omega's Firming Eye Cream from Allies of Skin. Road Barrier Restore Cream. Invisible Sunscreen Gel from Allies of Skin. Say Glowy Super Gel on the highest points of the face. Shiseido Revitalescence Skin Glow Foundation. Natasha Denona High Glam Concealer. BK Beauty Brush. Westman Atelier Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit. Hourglass Concealer. This is in the shade Silk. Make Me Blush, the liquid version first. Just a little bit of powder. This is a Huda Beauty powder. Load my powder puff with powder. Go over the forehead. Hermes bronzer, and this is in the shade number 2. This is a brush from NARS, number 14. Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. Starting with a very, very light powder. Makeup by Mario palette. Victoria Beckham Satin Kajal eyeliner in between the lashes. And with this tiny brush, Refer 23, I will go and smudge it. Open. From the NARS palette, Orgasm palette, one of my all-time favorite palettes. This is a Refer 28 brush on the center of the eyelid. This is the Pro Lash Lift Mascara. The Wonder Skin 360 Contour Lip Liner in the shade Saddle. I do like to powder the lip liner. MAC, what is called Locked Kiss ink. I dare you to take these off. Like, I dare you. These Fenty sticks. This is so beautiful. Shade and Illuminate Highlighting Duo from Tom Ford. The YSL Blush. This is in shade 44. Alright guys, and here we have the final look. How do you feel?
Oh my god, fabulous! I love it. Thank you so much.
Final look. How do you feel?
Oh my god, fabulous! I love it. Thank you so much.